Okay, let's finish this chapter 13 off with the challenge question. Okay, so right then, so we've got a curve with y equals x squared minus 5x plus 7, and we also have a curve which is y equals a half x squared minus 5 over 2x plus 7. Okay, it's a shaded region bound, find the exact value. So they've drawn us a nice picture which looks a bit like this. Now we've got one graph coming in like this, and we have a second graph coming in like this, and they have coloured in the area bound by those two graphs. Okay, and said that is your R. Okay, so what are we going to do? We are going to find the area of the one underneath. Which one is this? This is, let's just label these up for clarity. Call this Y1 and this one Y2. So Y1 is here, and this one, the lower graph as it was, is Y2. So we're going to integrate Y1. That will give us the bound region all there once we find out, okay, and all of that purple area. Then we are going to find the area underneath Y2, and we will take it away. So we'll end up with that purple, take away that green, and that will do us. What we do need to know is we need to know the 2 points where it crosses. We already have one of them, so if we call this point A is at 0, 7, okay, because we can see they both cross there at 7, okay, and then the second one we need to quickly find, okay, so pushing all of this together, okay, when one is equal to the other, we're going to end up with x squared minus 5x plus 7 equals a half x squared minus 5x plus 7. So having a quick look at that, we end up with, bring that over, we get a half x squared, bring that over, we get nothing equals 0. What's happened there? Well, are they both on? Oh, it's 5 over 2, isn't it? Where's 5 over 2? 5 over 2. There we are. What is that? It's minus 5 plus 5 over 2, which is minus 5 over 2. So taking out an x on that, we end up with a half x minus 5 over 2 equals 0. So we get the x equals 0, which we've used for the point A, and we also end up with a half x minus 5 over 2 equals 0. So x is equal to 5 over 2 divided by a half. Which if you keep change, flip it, you end up with 10 over 2, so you end up with x equals 5. Okay, so that makes point B to be 5, 0. Okay, and so now all we've got to do is do the integrals of, let's do it in green. We're going to have the integral of between 5 and 0 of a half x squared minus 5 over 2x plus 7 dx, take away the integral between 5 and 0 of x squared minus 5x plus 7 dx. Okay, two things like that facing at me. I'm going to use the calculator and just put them in. Okay, we've done enough of these that we don't need to go through this stepping through, I don't think. X squared minus 5 over 2x. Okay, plus 7. Alright, so that's between 0 and 5. And calculator tells me that that one comes out as 295 over 12. Take away, putting in this one then, integral of x squared minus 5x plus 7. And again, it's between 0 and 5. And that tells me it's 85 over 6. So 295 over 12, take away 85 over 6, gives me 125 over 12, which is 10 and 5 twelfths. Check that at the back of the book, 10 and 5 twelfths. Okay, bit of a cheat on that. Really what I should do is write down the integral of these. Okay, if I was doing this in a test or an exam, you can't just jump straight in with the calculator like that. So we should really just take all of that, move it down, and you should have written in the integrals of it. So it's going to be a half, it's going to be x cubed divided by, so what's that, a half divided by 3 is a sixth. So minus 5 over 4x squared plus 7x. Done it like that with the 5, 0, minus, and then x cubed over 3 minus 5x squared over 2 plus 7x, again 5, 0. And that should be enough to satisfy someone that you know what you're doing. All right, very good. See you in chapter 14.